Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is AOC1 week 3. It's crazy to think we're here already. Anyway, so this week we had to basically have a bunch of inline type functions and have them called and then display as alerts. And that's what I had happen. I'll show you what I did real quick, and then I'll kind of explain it. So you have, as comparison results for both of our numbers the same. Well, first number is 0 and our second number is 1, so no, they are not equal to each other. And then you have addition, that's the number you get, and then this is the string right here, all your base are belong to us. And I'll kind of go back, explain, and then re-show those. Anyways, let me close that real quick. So let's go into the code. So this is how I have all of this set up. You have my functions here, and then I have my calls down here, right there. And the calls are kind of doing a little more than that. That's also where I have the actual names going to some stuff. And I am pretty happy with what I did, because I didn't do it exactly how we were told to. It's a little bit different. Oh, and then in the view controller H, you have them actually there. But so I'll kind of show you, standard, that this is, all of this is pretty much the same as what everybody else has from what I was looking at. And it's, I have errors here that I don't understand. They're not causing problems though. This is saying, here's your integer, here's your other integer. Whenever you return them added together. This is, whenever you return it, compare them together. Basically, it's quite simple. This is probably the most important function out of all of them. It's the display alert. And, it's saying that you can have a custom title for them, I believe, right here. But then right here it's also saying this is what the button text is going to be. I don't have it switching the button text at all. That's probably something I could have implemented to make it a little more over and beyond. But down here is where I guess it's actually doing any of the magic that you're seeing. The functions are obviously the back end of it. This is where it's actually working in the end. And so right here it's calling the append function. So it's, actually append the stuff, the strings, and put them together. So you have, you have the first string, which is all your base, then the second string are belong to us, and so it puts them together, and then it's appended string for the title right there. And so whenever you do that, you're going to get, basically it says appended string, and then underneath it says all your base are belong to us. This function is adding the integers together, the two numbers. This one's converting them for their sum from a integer to a string, right? So here's saying this is what we're getting, and right here it's saying this is converting it to it. And then right here, this is actually saying it. And so it says the number is, and then it says it. Now, you'll look up here, and I'm actually giving it 2 random values for both of my integers, so that it's not the same thing you're going to get every single time. And now here you have the comparing 2 numbers. Once again, I'm doing random. I'm doing it within 2, so basically you're going to get a 0 or a 1. So 50-50 chance of it actually being a yes. If it's a yes, then I have the if yes, this is what it'll give you. And I have 2 sets here basically saying yes and no. Yes if it's yes, and R if it's yes. And these are just going in, are both of them the same? Say what the number is on these, and then so yes or no. If yes if it is equal, no if it's not. They are or are not equal to each other. And that's just what I have going on there. And then it just displays them. So once again, I'll show you this real quick. Wow, my video is getting long. So yes, there it is. They are equal to each other. The number, and then all your base are belong to us. So it works. How did I do function separation? I gotta get quicker here. I just did comments, and I separated the functions from the calls, and I feel that I did a good enough job on that to help. I think it's logical. You see where it's coming together, and so that's how it's doing it, and it's kind of simple, I guess. I feel that just the instructions could have used a little bit of clarification. Number 4 was saying for us to call the append function, but we were given that and to call it and show it as an alert before we were told to make the display alert function. So I just feel those instructions could have been done a little clearer. And what I could have done better, I think I already said it, I could have gone a little fancier with the alerts. I probably could have had it so that these aren't buried inside of the actual stuff. Actually have them at the top up here somewhere, basically saying these are my variables or something. But that's all I can really think of. It works well, and it works consistently. Anyways, that's all I've got for you guys this week, and I hope you have a good last week of AOC1, and I'll talk to you guys next weekend. Bye!